Welcome viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of sweets and candies as we learn to draw a beautiful candy themed masterpiece. Grab your drawing supplies and let's get started. Begin by sketching out the basic shapes of our candies using simple circles, squares and ovals. Now let's add some details to our candies. Think about the different types of candies you love, from lollipops to gummy bears, and those details to your drawing. Remember to use vibrant colors to make your candies pop. Reds, blues, yellows, and greens will make your drawing look super sweet and delicious. Don't worry if your lines are not perfect. Art is all about having fun and expressing yourself. Once you have finished drawing your candies, let's add some shading to give them depth and dimension. Use light and dark tones to create shadows and highlights. If you are using colored pencils, try blending different shades together to create a smooth gradient effect. Now, let's add some background elements to our drawing. How about some candy wrappers, a candy store window, or even a rainbow of candies falling from the sky? Experiment with different backgrounds until you find one that complements your candies perfectly. As we put the finishing touches on our drawing, take a moment to admire your sweet masterpiece. Remember, every artist has their own unique style, so don't be afraid to let your creativity shine. If you are using colored pencils, try blending different shades together to create a smooth gradient effect. And there you have it, folks, a beautiful drawing of candies that looks good enough to eat. I hope you enjoyed following along with this tutorial. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. Thanks for watching this video and happy drawing.